Did you see what happened? It's a big crash.
Oh, no, these are little. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a train crash.
Train crash with what?
Cars.
Cars? You're
Yeah,
gonna crash the train or crash the car?
I mean emergency vehicles.
Emergency vehicles? What kind of emergency vehicles?
Ambulance, police car, and fire truck.
Ambulance, police car, and fire truck. What?
Ambulance.
Oh, there's an ambulance here? You're gonna crash this? Oh no! Is it crashing? I don't see it crashing.
Crash. Yeah, move the car so it can crash.
Oh, you moved it out of the crash?
And now let's do a fire truck.
Let's do a fire truck. Oh, it's
We need a little bit.
we need a little bit faster.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it crashing? Yes. All right. What is that one?
Fire truck.
Fire truck? It's in the way. Get away. Oh, the fire truck is strong. Ah, I fell down. It's so funny. What is that one? I fell upside down.
Let's do all of them.
Let's do all of them together.
No, don't come.
Oh yeah, the Polar Express is strong. Ah, you crushed them all. I think you derailed the Polar Express.
Oh, wait, stop.
What happened? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, you see that? You see that? I think it's not on the track anymore. Is it? Let's see. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Wait, off the rails.
No, I think it's fine now. It's fine now.
No.
This looks so strong, right? Okay, let's do it.
Hey, what happened to the whistle?
What happened there? You broke it.
How about you?
I don't know. What you did?
Let's do like this.
Okay. And what is this time?
I'm going to do like this.
Like that?
Ah,
They all want to stop the Polar Express? Yeah? Yes.
let's speed it up a little bit.
Ah,
Oh, the fire truck survived.
yeah. Oh, fire truck is so strong.
Yeah, fire truck survived.
Yeah, it didn't fall down.
Only these will go.
Yeah. How about we try with another big fire? We don't have a big fire truck, right? Do we have a big fire truck?
Ah. Ow.
Out of the way!
Okay, now we have to cross the track.
Now we're crossing. Okay, one cross. You ready to go? Yeah, what? Okay. What is that one?
The engine fits on the track.
Oh yeah. That's a cool.
It's like the car. Are we going?
Okay. What is that? Oh. Okay. Derailed.
What?
It derailed again. That's so cool. Who is stronger now? The Polar Express or the ambulance? Ambulance, yes. Let's fix the Polar Express. All right. Going faster. And it pushed it away. Bubbu is turning slow. This time we're gonna try it slow. Oh yeah, it's pushing it. Yeah. It's pushing it. Speed it up. Oh yeah, it's pushing. You crashed it. It's going so fast now. It's going so fast now. Woo! Now we're gonna play with another bigger. Is that an ambulance or a fire engine? Ambulance, yes. Oh, it's pushing there. Yeah, the red ambulance. Yeah, it's a fire rescue ambulance. Uh-oh. What? What happened? Oh yeah. We officially derailed the Polar Express. Yeah. Who's the winner?
Ambulance.
Ambulance is the winner. Yeah, we're back on track.
No, look at here.
Where?
Here.
Oh yeah. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down.
Okay. I think we're back on track. Who is the fastest one? The police is chasing the train. Yeah. Woo. Ah!
The fire.
Where's the fire?
Here, here.
There's the fire. Yeah, it's gonna stop the train now. Ah, no. Okay, I have an idea. Put everything on the track.
Oh, we have to put one on this. Did not see where it was.
Because the train is the stronger one. Are you planning to derail it? Yeah. How are you going to derail it?
Everything on the track.
Mm-hmm.
That's where you want to put it.
Yes. I want to put everything on the track and see which one is stronger. Okay. You're missing one more. Here. Okay. Can't see them. Can't see them. Yeah, I see them. Ah! Did you see what happened? It's a big crash.
All of these are winners.
All of these are winners?
Yeah.
Yeah!
The tires instead.
Train fell down. Oh no. We have to rescue the train. Can you turn off the train? Let's turn it off. What this happened? Oh no. The engine fell down, the tender fell down, and I think the coaches are okay.
Yeah.
I think this coach is derailed.
It's still turned on.
Yeah, the light is turned on. And let's fix this, okay?
The passengers are upset
Yeah.
because they.
Back on the track. What are we gonna do now?
Hey, you forgot to turn the finger.
Okay.
Now I want to go backwards.
You gonna go backwards now?
Yeah, because it looks like.
Yeah.
Watching and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Bye.
Bye bye. Ah!
Stop the train.
No.
Stop the train.
Stop the train. Bye bye.
Bye.